Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what up, what up? It sucks doing the intro in the car. Let's just skip the intro. So I just got done with my Muay Thai training, man. Currently waiting at Janky's right now. Y'all can see this is what we looking like today. Rain. Janky just pulled up, about to get the shop opened. Then we're about to go in here and commence with the Swang Stang, man. The Swang Stang. Also went and got some OEM hardware right here. You know what I'm saying? Went and got the OEM hardware for the Swang Stang. That's for basically all the OEM hardware to get the bumper and stuff on. It's just like my pet peeve. My pet peeve is to have like a bolt that's red off another car or something else, and then just hella mix match bolts. Like I can't. I don't know, it's my OCD. But anywho, let's get up in here and get on with the day, man. Hopefully we get some good progress going. So yeah, it's like double dutch, man. Gotta dodge this rain. Here's the OEM hardware for that bumper.
What is it?
OEM hardware, baby, for the bumper.
That's what about all the bolts?
There's studs on the bumper. This fool got that Cyclops light on, looking like an X-Men. Just pull it over your face. You'll really look like him. All right, here y'all go. A little look at it. Nice and tight up there. So the last part is just waiting for the fittings to cut that, get it back to the tank, and then fuel lines and everything will be done. All right, Janky getting these upper arms tightened up. And then once the upper arms are all tight, this should kind of center out the rear end. And then we'll get the torque arm all on. And then after that, we'll be deleting these upper arms, because with the torque arm, you don't need the upper arms. So you'll be deleting those and getting rid of them.
Maybe they're in the process of taking them off or something.
What? The arms?
Well, the bolts. And that was about to fall off. Oh, the brake line stopped leaking.
Alright, out with the old. This poo-poo 2.5 crush bin muffler shop. So that's gonna be off. Need to order the slip fittings for this. But for now, we're gonna get this torque arm on. Once the torque arm is on, then we can figure out how we need to map this out.
Dang, these motherfuckers are consistent.
Oh, Ashned?
Yeah.
Calling you for spam?
Hello, my name is Kyle. You ain't Kyle. You are not Kyle. I can't understand this fucking thing. What the fuck? This thing ain't going to the moon.
Two hands. Oh, there we go.
2 hands on that shaft.
Fucking 2-hand twist.
Give it the Indian burn. This one goes this way. This one goes this way.
I see you making little M's in there. Spelling my name in cursive. That's love.
Spelling my name.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We both got the same name.
I'm one Mike. You're 2 Mike.
Yeah.
Two's so nice you gotta say it twice.
Yeah, there you go. 2 is always better than 1. And I'm 2 times the man you are. You know, it's just fuck. Hit my damn hand on the lift.
I'm just mocking everything up in place right now. Starting to tighten up the bolts and take the paint off. Fucking dirty ass fingers in the video. Looks like a yeast infection to me.
Alright, so something else I want to address too. Somebody was in the comments saying, oh, why don't y'all run them on the subframe connectors? Well, look, if you come around here, run them through the subframe connectors, you run into this, which means it would have to go under here. The moment you go off track, this is the low point, and this is going to hit. Everybody knows that subframe connectors, once you go off track, this is going to be the lowest point of the car, so this is what's going to drag, this is what's going to go over speed bumps, and if you have a line right here, This is literally gonna be the new lowest point because you have to go under this and then possibly get pinched or whatever. Same thing on this side. Has the same thing here. So there's literally no really running this down the subframe connectors properly without doing it. Plus, if it's up here, this is all the way tucked away. You don't have to worry about it hitting. Some people are like, oh, what about the drive shaft brakes? Like, this car doesn't make drive shaft braking power, and the chances of that happening are very, very, very unlikely. And if you're worried about that, just get a drive shaft loop. So there's no point where these fuel lines should get hit by the drive shaft. You can literally buy a drive shaft loop, and once the drive shaft does break or come loose, it won't smack into the fuel lines or anything like that. Brr.
Just kidding.
Damn, rookie, forgot to ground it.
I was practicing.
Ooh. When you weld, huh? You out here looking like you've done this a few times, you know what I'm saying?
Watch the video on YouTube.
Oh, look at this. Check this out. You want a tool?
Is it 10 millimeter? Holy fuck, there's hella shit. That's no man's land right there.
It's a spark plug tool.
And a spark plug.
And a self tapper.
Well, we ain't changing that one. Gave it my best shot. Car ate it.
Dude.
That's funny. I wonder how long that's been in there.
Got a spark plug tool, baby. And it got a swivel on it. Alright, so there we go. Everything TIG welded up. So now we can get this thing back on here. Sorry, phone's all in the way. Showing y'all a good look at the welds real quick before we spray paint all this back black. Look who pulled up all late, man. It's already done now. Literally on the tightening portion.
You're doing great.
You just showed up for moral support.
Yeah, all late and stuff, man. Whole car built now. What you doing? Get from back there. We've been fine without you all day. We don't need you.
That's what you call the blister. He shows up after all the work is done.
Or yeah, you guys need help. You know that friend that when you moving, after you get everything, oh bro, I came to help you. Like, no one ever wants to help nobody move. Like, don't lie. Alright, so everything's in there snugged up, and here comes the fun part, getting ready to shim this and getting the pinion angle right. So yeah, got an angler over there.
Okay, I might have to lift the back of the transmission.
It's at 2.4 right now, 2.3.
What's the engine at?
3.4.
3.4, 3.3, 3.4.
3.4.
It's like teetering on 3.3.
So that's like 1 degree?
Yeah.
So what's 3.4 at the front?
Yeah. And what's check the crank?
Oh, there you go.
Fuck yeah. Damn. Within a point? Yeah, that's
Close enough. See if it vibrates. I don't think it will. If we take out a shim, is we're going to be taking out too much.
Yeah.
We can't.
no, this is
We need some
good.
super duper thin shims.
This is probably closer than whatever we painted on.
Alright, so there it is. Torque arm all done. Panhard bar all tightened up and centered. So rear end, everything's all centered up now. But yeah, man. Suspension's damn near pretty much done. Suspension's all dialed in. Only thing I'm gonna do now is I hit up SOV Rick. I'm about to have him give me some brand new arms. If you look at this one, this arm is hella thick, and then this one's hella thinner. So this is probably like a Gen 1 arm, and then this is the newer revised arm. So I'm gonna swap both of these to just brand new, whatever the newest version of the arms are, and then we should be good to go. After that, all the suspension and everything will be done. This thing should be ready to skid. I'm gonna see how it feels without a sway bar, and maybe possibly throw a front sway bar back on here. Maybe. We'll see how it feels with it. I was watching Odie's video, and Odie was basically saying that he wanted to put a front sway bar back on his car. So I've never drove without a front sway bar. We'll just see how it feels with drifting. If I don't like it, then we'll throw a sway bar on and just do some testing. It's gonna be one of those cars where we have to test it out, see what works, what doesn't work. At the end of the day, it comes down to what you like as a driver. But I've always had front sway bars on my car, so it'll be interesting to seeing how this thing does without a front sway bar. Next on the list is about to get back to the front end and start doing a little bit more fab stuff and getting the front backs together.
This?
Yeah.
It definitely went up.
One
It's a
way.
weak ass fucking mount.
Yeah, it was very
Mounts
soft.
are fucking lame.
Bruh, stop talking shit.
Oh, I thought this was like a store-bought thing.
No.
Sorry.
Y'all killing me. You're killing me. Why would this be a store-bought thing and the radiator got moved
I don't
forward?
fucking know. It, like
It would've been-
fucking weird ass.
it would've been
I thought
back
you could,
this
like,
way.
Buy anything for these.
It would have been back this way. It wouldn't have been on this side, fucker.
Oh yeah. Oh, it moves back and forth. Look at that. It clears the whole shit.
As long as you got enough room to get the belt through,
Yeah.
like you could easily get it through that.
But also, now look, the
That's
space
it.
here, the space here.
Yeah, I know. Tell it better.
But
And this is where it's actually supposed to be.
But look at the difference.
Yeah, I know.
It's
That's gonna clear the headlights and everything.
dude. Look at this. This is almost clearing now. You almost get that cap off.
I'd prefer to make a better mount for it.
Right?
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm just standing here staring at it, because
The angle iron all day.
I'm visualizing what the fuck is gonna happen.
Look at that. Lined up like butter. Mmm.
Okay. Inside one.
It's gonna work good.
I shove those side panels in there.
Still, I feel like those lower mounts aren't even. I feel like this shit's twisted this way.
It is. They don't fit correctly. Just want to get all the top pieces on first.
We're eventually gonna be redoing this whole thing, bro.
We're like inching our way.
All right, there you go. So the plan is to make this one piece right here where it butts up at. Just literally have them TIG weld it. Makes it one solid piece, but yeah, that looks better. Definitely looks better. Still have the hood pin provisions right here. Starting to look complete again. I'm happy with this. Damn, you did it again, rookie?
I'm testing. I like to do it.
That's 2 times today, man. What's going on? Now we're putting the hood pins in. That way this just cinches it. This thing's gonna be pretty fucking strong. It's solid. We could actually use this as a radiator mount. Probably make some brackets off of here to get this radiator cinched up. But yeah, this is firm, baby. Oh, you're over here creating body lines, huh?
Have to. I don't think that this will tighten up enough. And I think that when it does get tight enough, it's gonna crease the fuck out of it.
Follows that line. Bruh, it almost looks back complete.
Getting there. It's like a little more. Like we're inching closer to it. Just keep it going.
All right, so next on the list, man, y'all see the radiator is sitting in here crooked. So Janky's OCD's like, nah. So next on the list is we're gonna chop these bottom mounts off over here, and we're gonna be basically redoing these, making the mounts over. Happy with how it's coming out. Definitely happy with how it's coming out. Makes you like re-excited for the build all over again.
These, yeah, we can't leave these mounts in here. These would just fall out. If it was captured on both sides of here, then that would be okay, but I think that it's just gonna shake around and just slide out just like this.
Why don't we take a piece of Delrin and cut a slot in it?
Just using that. We could. Delrin's just really fucking hard.
Solid, damn near like
It'd be fun
solid.
for a long time, but I think for what he's doing with the vehicle, it's just not good to do that kind of shit.
All right, boys, we on the way home. Been on the freeway for like the last hour. It's raining hella bad. It's like storming. So we're literally doing like 50 miles an hour right now. Like this is probably faster than we were going earlier, but we actually moving a little bit. All right, what's good with my peoples? We are back home finally. So yeah, man, y'all seen the progress today. I think this thing is making great progress. I'm actually very, very happy with how this thing is turning out, man. I think this car is gonna be sick, so I'm looking forward to this build. I actually had lost motivation in it at first. I was down there like, man, I'm gonna get rid of the car. I'm gonna take the whole motor setup out and do some other stuff, but now I'm getting excited for it. So we are overbuilding everything around it as far as the fuel system goes and everything else. That way, when we do decide on what motor to do, I'll have a better direction. Like I said, you guys know that I'm playing with the idea of a 351. Part of the reason why I want to do a 351 is kind of to still be able to keep it forward, but also to finish it, because we have people thinking that I can't do a 351. So, you know, I kind of want to prove people wrong and do a 351. I also want to try something different and see how the Ford would feel with just like a crazy high, insane horsepower LS3. Already have right over there, already have the LS3 swap kit, the cross member, the headers, everything. So have everything needed to drop an LS3 in that car. Even the fucking trans. I bought this transmission right here for the Fox body. This is a T56 ready to go for that thing, but you know, we're gonna wait and see. I plan on getting another notchback, man. I know y'all probably are gonna be tired of seeing notchback content, but I'm a huge notch lover, and you guys know that I really, really want a 4-eyed coupe. If I get a 4-eyed coupe, then I'll probably just throw the LS3 in that and make like my ultimate sleeper drag car or something. But you know, I do plan on getting another coupe, whether I get rid of the supercharged coupe later down the road, but I do plan on still building me a 4-eyed coupe, and that'll probably be the car I throw LS3 in if I decide to go a different direction with whatever we got going on. But yeah, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Again, I'm like starting to get like rekindled in love with how this build is turning out. Appreciate y'all greatly. Thanks for always rocking with me, watching, supporting, leaving the comments and all that down below. I appreciate y'all, man. Love y'all lots. We out, man. Deuces.
I've been going too crazy. These niggas